Open joint stock company Krasnokamsk Metal Mesh Works, manufacturing its products under the Rosset trademark, is the only enterprise in Russia equipped with the most modern facilities for production of a wide range of synthetic fabrics and metal wire meshes. History of the plant began in the military years of the 20th century, when the metal weaving equipment was evacuated to the Urals from Moscow region. 40 years later, the company started production of more reliable foaming synthetic fabrics used for clothing of modern high-speed paper machines. Nowadays, the plant produces more than 180 types of synthetic fabrics and metal wire meshes for different fields of industry, keeping its focus mainly on pulp and paper industry. In construction industry, fabrics and meshes are used for production of asbestos cement boards and tubes, gypsum boards, and soft roofing materials. Fabrics and meshes for water purifying are in demand and widely used at intake stations, where they are applied for dewatering of sewage sediments in press filters. Besides, fabrics and meshes are used in mining and coal industry, chemical industry, in production of mineral fertilizers, as well as in geology, oil and gas industry. Our products have a hygienic certificate which enables us to produce fabrics and meshes for food industry, where they can be applied for drying of spaghetti products, chopped vegetables and fruit, herbs, tea, berries and other food products. However, pulp and paper mills are still the main consumers of our products. Foaming fabrics for pulp and paper industry, which are essential for production of pulp and woolen fiber boards, paper and cardboard makes up more than 50% of the company products range. Focusing on the needs of the target customers, the plant increases the range of foaming fabrics, which is about 70% of the company's revenue. Production of metal wire meshes begins with wire drawing. This is a complicated process which requires compliance with all parameters. Powerful wire drawing installations allow us to make wire diameter thinner down to 25 microns. One part of the manufactured wire goes for sale, another part for production of metal wire meshes. In 2003, the owners of the company approved a new investment project of modernization and development of new equipment for production of double and triple layer foaming fabrics. In 2004, a new loom with weaving width of 10.5 meters and a new warping machine, both made by the German company Jaeger, were put into operation. Within the frames of the same project, a new automated seaming machine of the Austrian company WIS Engineering was bought and put into operation, the unique computerized technology required throughout training and highly qualified specialists. Putting into operation of the new modern equipment scientifically increased quality of the fabrics. Development breakthrough was possible with production of complex multi-layer foaming fabrics. The new warping machine is designed for winding of warp yarns on canisters, which are installed on the loom's warp beam. Presenting and winding devices are activated by the digital control motor. Both starting and breaking time are programmed. With the winding device, yarns of different diameters can be wound on canisters developed specially for weaving looms, producing synthetic fabrics with various density of yarns and pattern designs. Two-section spooler of the warping machine contains up to 1300 spools. Each of them is equipped with individual brakes. Winding speed of the machine is 100 rotations per minute. The machine is controlled by personal computer. The next step in production of multi-layer foaming fabrics applied in pulp and paper industry is weaving on the new weaving loom with 10.5 meter weaving width. It is equipped with a multi-spool system for weft insertion. Weft yarns are inserted by a two-side band rapier with a transfer in the middle of the cloth. The loom can operate with one or two warp beams according to the fabric's design. All functions of the loom are controlled by the personal computer. This new loom efficiency is 5 or 6 times higher than of other looms producing synthetic fabrics. It is equipped with the necessary electronics, providing full control of the yarn tension, fabric density, safety level, reliability of all the loom unit's operations. Fully automatic loom runs under the constant human supervision. With the help of highly professional specialists of the plant, model machine robots come to life and the fabrics get a particle of the weaver's soul. Fabrics of a wide design range can be produced on the new loom. Simple single-layer fabrics, double-layer and complex triple-layer fabrics that are more reliable, wear-resistant and meet all the modern requirements of the pulp and paper industry. Treatment of fabrics on the stretching machines equipped with heating elements is the next production step. Here the fabrics are heated with some tension applied. It is necessary for stabilization of all the fabric's parameters so that the fabric doesn't shrink or elongate during operation. Necessary yarn curving is formed and cloth surface smoothness is achieved. Seaming of fabrics in an endless cloth is the next step of production. State-of-the-art seaming machines for complex design fabrics provide high-quality automatic seaming instead of time-taking and hard handmade seaming. Modern machines are universal, providing seaming of different fabric patterns. Seaming process is done according to the set PC program. Speed of seaming is from 1300 to 3000 thread pairs per hour. Electronic jackward mechanism allows to make seams of different width from 40 to 125 mm. Woven seams made in forming fabrics for paper machines must not leave any marks on the paper surface. Seam structure, strength, density, air permeability shall be the same as on the fabric itself, and this task is successfully challenged at the company. Along with the woven seams, detachable clipper seams are made on some types of fabrics. For example, fabrics with such a seam are used for sludge dewatering and filter presses. This seaming is also done on a modern device produced by the German company MATO. Seaming of metal wire meshes is done manually by gas welding. Our company specialists can make seams either with silver-containing solder or gold-containing solder. Both standard and non-marking seams are made according to the customer's requirements. Within the modernization project of the company, modern equipment for gluing of synthetic fabrics edges with two-component polyurethane compositions has been purchased. This edge treatment helps to increase the fabric's lifetime because depreciation of edges is the most common reason for the fabrics getting out of operation. The plant laboratory executes control of technological parameters of each fabric produced at the company. Acceptance tests and control of raw materials are also made here, as well as research work aimed to improve the quality of products and meet the consumer's requirements. The laboratory is equipped with the most modern devices, including 2 modern instrument machines for testing the strength of incoming synthetic monofilament and metal wire and the fabrics and seams produced. Results are displayed as deformation diagrams. Our laboratory is also equipped with a special microscope, which is connected to the camera to give a 100-fold magnification, a projector Nikon camera, which measures and controls mesh size and seam parameters, and other precise devices. The last step in production is packing of the goods. Meshes and fabrics are packed in wooden boxes made individually for each product and adjusted for its type, size, material and shipping method. New unique equipment used for production of fabrics and meshes enable Rosset to keep strong positions on the market of woven synthetic fabrics to increase profits and tax deductions. Some years ago, a special technical service team was organized at Rosset. This team is responsible for effective operation of paper machine clothing. Today, technical service is carried out with the application of new modern control devices.
Компания Rosset занимается производством сеток уже более 60 лет.
Rosset has been producing fabrics and meshes for more than 60 years. For more than 30 years, our company has been producing synthetic fabrics. Big experience and modern equipment allow us to produce high-quality products, complying with international standards. We hope our customers are satisfied with the quality of products we deliver and service we provide. We invite all interested parties for cooperation.
И приглашаем все заинтересованные стороны к сотрудничеству.